Hey, how's it going, everybody? Pumped up from CNR Communications. We just got the UHF GME Aerials, the 6.6 dBi, and you'll notice that there's two on there. One runs the Cel-Fi unit and one is for the UHF, the XRS that CNR Communications put in. So obviously we run all the GME products, and yeah, so we just got them on, and traveling around like we do, the Cel-Fi just works a treat. So as you can see, even sitting in my driveway, I hope this comes out, you can see that the signal strength is at 100% and the Cel-Fi is boosting at 100%, and the signal at the moment is at 99 or 95%, 96%. So yeah, that's good, because as we come out from Rocky, that's obviously the GME XRS, the awesome Polaris head unit there, all the lights on the Ultra Vision. But yeah, so that's, yeah, so you simply jump in, hit the app on the Wave app for the Cel-Fi, and it hooks up through 3G. I use 3G all the time because when you get out the west, that's mostly it works really well on. And yeah, so that's what we use. So that's just a quick one, just a quick shout out to if you're in the Rocky area or Yeppoon, CNR Communications put these things in for us. And yeah, so we run them big aerials and it just boosts all the time. And even when we go down to Byron, between the Gold Coast and Byron, there's a lot of bad areas, but that works really well. Yeah, so there you go. She's looking tough as. Alrighty, ciao, bye.